ChatGPT is a powerful language generation model developed by OpenAI that can be used for a variety of tasks such as text summarization, question answering, and language translation. It is also possible to use ChatGPT to make money. Here are a few ways to monetize ChatGPT. Content creation. ChatGPT can be used to generate unique and high-quality content such as articles, blog posts, and product descriptions. This content can then be sold to businesses or individuals looking for web content. Chatbot development. ChatGPT can be used to train a chatbot that can answer questions and provide customer support. This chatbot can be integrated into a business's website or mobile app and can be used to generate revenue through increased customer engagement and sales. Language translation. ChatGPT can be used to train a machine translation model that can translate text from one language to another. This service can be sold to businesses and individuals looking to communicate with a global audience. Text summarization. ChatGPT can be used to train a model that can summarize long text into shorter, more manageable chunks. This service can be sold to businesses and individuals looking for quick and easy ways to consume information. Writing assistant. ChatGPT can be used to help writers with the writing process, for example, by suggesting words, phrases or sentence. It can also be used to proofread the text. To start using ChatGPT, you'll need to have an OpenAI API key, which can be obtained by creating an account on the OpenAI website. Once you have your API key, you can use the OpenAI GPT-3 playground to experiment with the model and generate text. There are also a number of pre-built integrations and libraries available, such as Hugging Faces transformers, which can be used to integrate ChatGPT into your own applications and projects. In summary, ChatGPT can be used to generate revenue by creating and selling unique and high-quality content, developing chatbots, offering language translation services, text summarization, and writing assistance. To use ChatGPT, you'll need an OpenAI API key, which can be obtained by creating an account on the OpenAI website, and use the OpenAI GPT-3 playground or pre-built integrations to integrate ChatGPT into your own applications and projects.